Lesson 1: Agricultural Systems and Society in Namibia. Welcome to our first lesson on agricultural science in Namibia. Let us start with who makes agriculture work. Farmers often rely on agricultural extension officers, whose main job is to provide advice and support to improve production practices. There are also specialists, like crop protection advisors, who specifically focus on advising farmers on managing pests, weeds, and diseases. Land ownership in Namibia comes in several forms. A main system is communal land tenure, where land is managed under customary or community arrangements rather than private freehold title. Within these systems, farmers face environmental and social challenges. Environmentally, factors like high winds can harm crop production by increasing evaporation and transpiration, as well as causing soil erosion and physical damage to plants. High humidity is another factor, directly increasing fungal disease pressure by favoring pathogens on crop surfaces. Socially, the agricultural sector is impacted by health crises. HIV and AIDS can significantly reduce farm output in Namibia by lowering worker turnout and productivity. To counter challenges and build long-term success, the industry focuses on sustainable agriculture. According to the syllabus, this means maximizing the benefits of natural resources for the present generation without limiting future generations' ability to do the same. This contrasts with shifting cultivation, where land is used briefly and abandoned. Instead, settled arable systems continuously farm the same land. Finally, farmers can improve sustainability and returns through value addition, using practices like drying or canning produce to extend its usability and shelf life.